Mido Watches stand as a testament to Swiss horological excellence, boasting a rich heritage rooted in precision and refined aesthetics. Renowned for their architectural design cues, Mido timepieces merge functionality with distinctive style. Each watch collection, whether the elegant Commander or the adventurous multifort, embodies enduring craftsmanship and technological innovation. With a commitment to reliability and sophistication, Mido watches cater to individuals seeking both timeless elegance and exceptional performance. Seamlessly blending tradition with contemporary design elements, Mido remains a cornerstone in the world of horology, crafting watches that endure as timeless symbols of sophistication and quality. And as always, you can check pricing for any of these watches in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 8. Mido Belluna Royal epitomizes a harmonious blend of elegance and sophistication in horology. This timepiece boasts a refined and distinctive design, characterized by its stainless steel case with rose gold pivot coating, showcasing a luxurious aesthetic. The captivating sunray brushed dial, available in various shades, features polished indices and hands that exude a timeless charm. The meticulously crafted details, such as the textured gillick pattern on certain models or the discrete date window, add depth and intricacy to the watch's appearance. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, the Belluna Royal ensures precise timekeeping and reliability. Number 7. Mido Baroncelli Chronometer stands as a testament to precision engineering and sophisticated design. Encased in stainless steel with rose gold pivot coating, this timepiece exhibits an aura of refined elegance. The strikingly exquisite dial, available in various hues, showcases intricate details such as applied indices and sleek hands, exuding a timeless sophistication. The chronometer's certified movement guarantees exceptional accuracy and reliability, meeting the highest standards of timekeeping. The sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment ensures durability and enhanced visibility. Whether adorned with a leather strap or a stainless steel bracelet, the Baroncelli Chronometer offers comfort and luxury. Number 6. Mido Ocean Star Diver 600 embodies the epitome of robustness, functionality, and underwater performance. Crafted for diving enthusiasts, this timepiece boasts a durable stainless steel case with a unidirectional rotating bezel that showcases a ceramic insert, enhancing its resistance to scratches and corrosion. Water-resistant up to an impressive 600 meters, this watch is designed to meet the demands of deep-sea exploration. The bold and legible dial, with luminous markers and hands, ensures optimal visibility even in low-light conditions, while the helium escape valve offers additional safety during deep dives. Number 5. Mido Ocean Star Tribute. Homage to the brand's legacy of seafaring excellence. Encased in stainless steel, this timepiece exudes a timeless charm with a vintage-inspired design that reminisces about Mido's iconic dive watches. The blue sunray brushed dial, reminiscent of the ocean's depths, features polished indices and hands coated with luminescence, ensuring clear readability in various lighting conditions. The unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert not only enhances the watch's durability but also enables precise timing for diving activities. Equipped with a dependable automatic movement, the Ocean Star Tribute provides accurate timekeeping and reliability. Paired with a stainless steel bracelet or a rubber strap, this watch offers comfort and versatility, making it an ideal companion for enthusiasts seeking a stylish and functional timepiece inspired by maritime exploration. Number 4. Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue encapsulates elegance in horology with its refined design. Bathed in a deep midnight blue hue, the watch's dial exudes sophistication, adorned with striking Roman numeral markers that stand out against the rich backdrop, reflecting a timeless aesthetic. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the sleek stainless steel case complements the dial, while the sapphire crystal adds a touch of durability and brilliance. The automatic movement within ensures precision and reliability, underscoring the watch's fusion of style and functionality. With its captivating color scheme and exquisite craftsmanship, the Mido Baroncelli Midnight Blue stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to producing timepieces that marry classical appeal, contemporary sensibilities, appealing to those with an eye for refined luxury. Number 3. Mido multifort patrimony chronograph 40.42736.04200 embodies a harmonious blend of vintage inspiration and modern functionality. Its charismatic allure lies in the seamless integration of classic design elements with cutting-edge features. The striking sunray brushed anthracite dial, enhanced by luminous rose gold tone hands and indices, exudes an air of sophistication and readability. Encased in polished stainless steel, the watch houses a powerful automatic chronograph movement, guaranteeing precision and reliability. The transparent case back provides a captivating view of the intricate inner workings, while the brown leather strap with crocodile pattern not only ensures comfort but also accentuates the timepiece's timeless appeal. Elegantly bridging the past with the present, the Mido multifort patrimony chronograph 40.42736.04200 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to crafting watches that exude both heritage and innovation in equal measure. Number 2. Mido baroncelli signature 37.20711.0401 and 37.407111.0401 epitomize sophistication and timeless elegance in watchmaking. These exquisite timepieces boast a refined aesthetic and meticulous craftsmanship, appealing to connoisseurs seeking both style and substance. The sunray brush dial, available in silver or anthracite, features Roman numeral hour markers and Dauphine hands that exude a classic charm. Enclosed in a polished stainless steel case, the automatic movement ensures precision and reliability, while the sapphire crystal protects the dial, adding durability and clarity. The 37.20711.0401 comes with a black leather strap, while the 37.40711.0401 features a stainless steel bracelet, providing versatility to suit different preferences. With their understated yet refined design, the Mido baroncelli signature models embody the brand's commitment to timeless sophistication and exceptional quality, making them a distinguished choice for discerning watch enthusiasts. Number 1. Mido Ocean Stargment 026.62917.05100 stands as a testament to both nautical heritage and modern functionality. This timepiece seamlessly integrates robust design elements with advanced features tailored for explorers and maritime enthusiasts. The striking black dial, adorned with luminous hands and markers, reflects clarity and readability, while the red gun hand provides a distinctive touch and aids in tracking a second time zone. Enclosed in a sturdy stainless steel case with a unidirectional rotating bezel, this watch ensures water resistance up to 200 meters, embodying reliability for underwater adventures. The automatic movement guarantees precision and reliability, while the stainless steel bracelet offers durability and comfort for daily wear. With its fusion of rugged durability, practical hub function, and elegant design, the Mido Ocean Stargment 026.62917.05100 caters to those who seek a sophisticated timepiece suited for both exploration and everyday wear.